Welcome to the fabulous store. Trinket Sparkles, Trinket Sparkles, a little store, a Trinket galore, Tedley store. Okay, I'm waiting for my full customer to come. This is the homemade spa or salon, a hotel, spa hotel. I'm a shopping daisy, shopping sweet. I buy this, I buy that, I buy this and that. What's this place? It's called Songbird Serenades or Serenades Salon. we sell a lot of toys and things. Okay. I was hoping to get a massage and then I would earn a toy. Give it to me. I didn't mean to, Buff. I don't like you. Please, do it. I'm begging you. I swear. Ow. I let my cat fall. It's okay. Oh. You can buy it. Thanks. Finally. Oh, wait. Sonia, ow. Diamond, my tiara. You gotta come back. Wait, I'm not done yet. Wait. You need to wait in line, please. It's weird. Right there. Yeah. There we go. Also the ones that came into the store, not available, allowed. I get you something for Daisy. Maybe you like some of these rings. No, I'm looking for my brother. Okay, Tarpez! What are you? Grubber? Gruffadar. But it's a Trinket Sparkles Trinkets, it doesn't sparkle. But Trinket Sparkles Trinkets had to sparkle about trinkets. That sparkle. So I can trade it? What do you want to buy? I think I'm gonna go get a pound of sparkles. What are you gonna buy? Double fun. Hi. I would like a rainbow fidget spinner. I would like a rainbow merry-go-round. That's all you want? A rainbow Ferris wheel. That's, I was gonna say. Okay, coming up. And let me just get a bag for you. Wait in line, okay? Oh, hi Sonia. Hi Tempest. Are you gonna meet your best friend Daisy? Yes, of course. Hey, I was asking you a question. Do you guys sell pets, animals in this salon, Songbird? Serenade? No, definitely not. How about blankets? Cozy, but totally not. Okay. Do you only sell one animal? Yes, we only sell one animal. That's a dinosaur. Yoshi! Oh my god, Yoshi must hide! Yoshi must... Okay, thanks. You gotta pay for that. You gotta wait in line. Thanks. You gotta pay for that. I'm good. How you doing? Thanks for asking. You gotta pay for that. Security. There. Oh, hey Tempest. None business. Just one of those days. Daisy. Can I trade this dum-dum for something sparkly? That's not something sparkly. Trinket Sparkles had to be trinkets that sparkles. It's a trinket, Songbird, but it doesn't sparkle. It shines, not sparkle. It's supposed to be shiny and sparkle. When trinket sparkles had to be a trinket that has to sparkle. But it's a trinket sparkles trinket that doesn't sparkle. But trinket sparkles trinkets that have to sparkle. It's called trinket sparkles. It's called Songbird Serenades or Serenades Salon. Or should I say trinket sparkles, little store tickets galore. Title. So can I trade it? Yes, you can pay for it. Yay! I hate my life. Why is it so boring? Hey, I hold you on. I need this. Ooh, ooh. Haven, you're still here? Is everything in my store? Get out. Just now. You can't pay for anything. Ah! Right. I know Lemonade was a Pikmin. I'm gonna pay for something. Okay. Thanks. Thank you so much. Hi guys. Haven, I never seen you in my life in the movie before. And I never seen you before. Ow. It's okay. Sorry. Is this good for Is this good for pillows? Totally. How about evil machines? Totally. She's good. You gotta pay for that. Sorry. We're waiting in line. Okay, the waiting's over. You can go get your prizes back. Okay, Sonya Blue, you go get yours first. And then the rest will go. Yay! I need it. What do you want for real? I want these pair of eggs. Really? It's the best thing in the whole store. I poisoned you. Okay, I'll get it. Eggs. It's not too heavy. It's just a little bit too far. I'm curious. Bye. She ain't paying for that. Okay, time for us to going. Excuse me. I paid for $704.99 for this hula lesson. Okay, that's good. Yep. Okay, here's your rainbow merry-go-round thingy. Let me just get a bag for you. I'm honest. Okay, here's the only bag left. Have a nice day. Thanks. We're not paying for prices. We're just only paying for when you're in line when you want to buy something. Okay, next up we'll have to go up to Storm King, or I call him Stormy. Hi. I want that dinosaur pet. Yoshi? He's huge. Ow, Yoshi, what's wrong with you? Yoshi want hi, waffles, say waffles. After all this mysterious junk, I've got over $1 million per 5 seconds. I need this. I need to trade something sparkly. I was here first. Yeah, Heaven Bay was here first. I'm totally needed. Can I get the yellow bowling ball? Where are you going? You're not going bowling. I'm doing baseball. Bye. Huge. I need to stop falling. Your shiny thing. She didn't even get a price yet. So what are you gonna buy? I think I'm gonna get a pound of sparkles. What are you gonna buy? I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely getting a pound of sparkles. Okay, that's nice. I'm going into the last present. Really? Oh, Twilight's coming in last. Okay, I'll be right here. What do you need? I'm gonna get a pound of sparkles. Bye-bye. I'm gonna give a pound of sparkles, Songbird. Please, please, please. I need a pound of sparkles. Give me a pound of sparkles. Okay, I'll come here. Everything's right here. What's happening? Nothing. Yeah. Just get out. Okay. Daisy, oh my god. I'm totally coming into the next store.